Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply gradient field to text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop-down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click the and insert a text box. Now write anything. Now select this text and make it bigger. Select this text and go to shape format drop down menu and click text fill. Now choose gradient and click more gradient. Click this gradient fill. Here you can see I have already a gradient stops. Now you can see I apply gradient fill to text in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.